guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee with you guys. And yeah, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram. If you are wondering about this makeup look, it will be soon up on my Instagram, or already might have gone up on my Instagram. So go follow me for some quick updates on my Instagram. And yeah, this video is going to be all about budget beauty. Like, I am going to tell you products under 300 rupees. Almost all the products are under 250, but a few, one or two products are just, I guess only one product is around above 250 rupees. The rest of the products are all under 250. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. I know during this quarantine no one has a lot of money to buy Huda Beauty, Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, that's just a pain in your ass. So yeah, we are going to switch to more affordable products for this quarantine, as no honey, no money. Okay, without further more ado, let's get started. Skincare. So the product which I will completely recommend is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. I had stored this in my fridge. I just bought it out just for the video. I'll show you how the texture looks like. It's just a beautiful gel like formula. It's the dupe of the Neutrogena one, or the Clinique Neutrogena Hydro Boost, or the Clinique gel, or the Belief moisturizer. And the fragrance is also calming and soothing, and when you freeze it in your freezer and then apply it on your face, oh my gosh, it just feels so wonderful. The formula is amazing. If you are a oily skin type, normal to oily skin type, you will definitely like this. But if you are a dry skin type, this may not be enough moisturizing for you, so you may need a top up, or another moisturizer. I can't really tell, but for oily to normal to oily skin people, this is a match made in heaven. Like, I love this moisturizer. I really love it. Okay, the next product, let's move to concealer. So the first concealer I would suggest is by Swiss Beauty. So this is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and my shade is 06. I'll just swatch the concealer for you guys. It's a beautiful concealer. Like, see how beautiful it is. It kind of gives you a mediumish coverage, mediumish to medium high coverage, and this is an absolutely amazing concealer. This retails for somewhere around 170 to 200 rupees, like 150 to 200 rupees on different Instagram stores. I personally got mine from Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar, and this is an amazing concealer if you are searching for a budget concealer, because other concealers, they tend to crease or either something or the other, but this is an amazing concealer. Concealer. The packaging is amazing, the brand is amazing, the quality is superb. It's bombdegree.com. You should go ahead and check out this concealer. So the next thing we will be talking about is a loose powder, and loose powders are usually expensive, but this loose powder by Swiss Beauty, this is the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Mattifying Loose Powder. So this retails around 250 to 300 rupees and is an amazing loose powder. So this is translucent loose, this is a translucent loose powder, so it probably doesn't have any color. I'll just show you. And oh my god, you guys, this is my favorite powder. I have said in all of my videos that this actually gives you a priming kind of effect. It has corn flour, so I think that's the reason it gives you kind of priming effect. It just blurs out every pores, and I've applied this powder right now. It just blurs out every pores and everything. Like, it's just a smooth base. It just makes your base so smooth. If you're searching for an affordable loose powder, go ahead and get your hands on that, because that is super duper amazing and literally very affordable. So yeah, next move on to the next product, which is again by Swiss Beauty. My girls, Swiss Beauty as a brand is just amping up their game. Like, their products are always top notch. Almost all the products are top notch, high quality, yet affordable. So I'll be talking about nail paints. So these are the two glitter nail paints by Swiss Beauty. So this is how it looks like. I freaking love both of the nail paints. I love this one more. This has kind of silver, pink and golden particles in it, and this one is in the shade 02, and the red one is in the shade 08. So these are super duper amazing. These retail for rupees 99 each, and I got these nail paints from Nykaa. I love these glitter nail paints. These just look so gorgeous when you apply these on your nails. It just looks super duper amazing. I freaking love this brand. Like, I'm getting obsessed with this brand. I also wanted to buy their Swiss Beauty illuminating primer, but unfortunately due to the lockdown I couldn't get my hands on it. And when I went to buy on Cuffs and Lashes, it was out of stock. Tragedy. Okay, so the next thing we will talk about is blushers. So I'm not saying in any particular term like 1 2 3 4. I'm just randomly picking up items and telling you. So this is how the blusher looks like. This one is in the shade, I guess, coral peach. I don't know where the shade is written. Yeah, it's in the shade coral orange. It's number one, coral orange. And see the packaging, you guys. This retails for only 125 rupees, I guess, 125 to 200 rupees. But I got mine from Cuffs and Lashes for 125 rupees. And just see the shade. I'll just show you the shade. Oh my god, can you see the shade? It's just so amazing. These are not very powdery, but these just look amazing. I have this blush right now on my face and it just looks super super duper amazing. I always reach out for these blushes. I have another shade. So this is how outer packaging looks like. This one is in the shade nude apricot. This is a very beautiful bronzy nude kind of shade. This also looks really amazing. I'll swatch this one for you guys also. I broke this one a little bit. I'm sad about that, but can't really help it. So this is how it looks like. The next shade, this one is a slight bit shimmery. This blush, this also has a mirror and it has a magnetic packaging to it. And considering its price, the packaging, the quality and everything, the staying power is also amazing. Like, I use this blush on a daily basis, not right now, but yeah, I use this blusher in most of my makeup tutorials. Like, most, I am literally obsessed with this blush. And usually when I go out, like I used to go out, I use these blushers on an everyday basis. I freaking love this. The staying power is also again amazing. So the next product I'll be talking is about lipstick. So we are not really wearing a lipstick a lot while we are going out, because we are wearing those big huge face masks which almost covers up half of our face. But yeah, when I'm making videos and stuff, I'm right now wearing lipsticks. So yeah, so this is the Lakme Forever Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade 08. It's a 08 Nude Dream. So this is the lipstick which I'm wearing right now. It is a for foundation reference. My skin tone is NC42 and I'm 310 Sun Beige in Maybelline. So this lipstick, you guys, is literally so freaking amazing. I love this lipstick. The shade, oh my god, and the formula is again very beautiful. Like, the formula is that of the Lakme Absolute lipsticks, Lakme Absolute liquid lipsticks, which retails for around 799 rupees, and you get the same formula under 300 rupees. This one retails for around 295, I guess. And this the packaging is black, the applicator is also black, but the formula and the shade is amazing, you guys. I wanted to buy a few more shades, but again, lockdown. Okay, so the next thing again I'll be talking about is liquid eyeshadows. So this is the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow and this one is in the shade 02. I actually have all the shade. Let me show you guys. I have all the 6 shades of the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. So these are all the 6 shades I got myself from Amazon. uh, these retail from around 150 to 250 rupees each, and I freaking love these eyeshadows, guys. I'll just swatch a few eyeshadows for you. I'll swatch the shade 04, a Smoky Storm. These are so amazing and these are just so beautifully pigmented. I just love the shades and the glitters, you know. And these also have a nice staying power and just look so beautiful on your eyelids. So this is the shade 04. I'll swatch a few shades, few more shades for you. I'll swatch this black kind of shade. This is the shade 06 Molten Midnight. This is a very beautiful glittery black shade. I absolutely love these. I mean, Swiss Beauty products are my holy grail right now. So let me swatch. you have to layer them at least twice. So this is how the black shade looks like. Like these are so pigmented, these look so beautiful on your eyelids. And this is one golden shade, this is 01 Gold Goddess. Let me see, the formula is amazing and everything. Like, why to go for the Stella glitters? They are literally so expensive. You can rather invest in an affordable version by Swiss Beauty. So this is the golden shade over here, and these shades are so beautiful. These are so amazing. I have already reviewed these Swiss Beauty glitters, so if you want to check out the review, I'll be leaving the link in the description box down below. So the next product I would like to tell is the Maybelline New York eye drama light lasting drama light liner. This is in the shade 810 white luster. So this is a beautiful white liner. This I guess retails for around 325 rupees, but you can get this for 300 on discount. So this is the swatch of this, and I currently have this on my waterline. I am obsessed with white liners, and I was searching for a white liner. This is actually my second one. The first one is already over, and this one retails, yeah, I got myself from Nike, mine one from Nykaa, and this is an amazing liner. Like, it stays put on your waterline for 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, it does tend to crease a little bit, like it comes on the outer corner of my eye, but that's all right. It's an amazing one. If you're searching for an affordable white eyeliner, you should go ahead and check this out. So again, I have a skincare product with me. This is by Good Vibes. This is their rose hip oil. You can see see all the, like, the cap all crunched up, because whenever I try to open it with my hand, it doesn't tend to open. So I have to like bite it like this and just open it up, because I'm unable to open it that way. So this is the bigger version, which retails for around 400 rupees I get, but the 10 ml version of this product retails somewhere around 200, less than 200 rupees, and this is an amazing product. Like, I had got the trial size first, then I ordered this one, and now this is almost getting over, so I have only this much left. So I am planning to buy another one from Purple. So this is how the formula looks like. I have also currently applied this on my skin. This just looks amazing. Like, I just love it. This, when you apply this, your skin will feel just so smoothed out, and it just feels like a glowy from within skin. I freaking love this product. So the next, but the so the last but not the least product are the Stay Quirky eyeliner. So this is how it looks like, and this one these retail for 175 rupees each. Again, you can get discounts on Purple whenever you are shopping, so these are always available on discounts. The applicator, the packaging, and everything just look amazing, and the product is also very beautiful. Like, it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, and everything. I'll just swatch the liners for you. So this is the white liner. I'll only swatch one liner for you. If you want to check out the Stay Quirky liners review, I'll be leaving a link down in the description box, so you can just check it out, or you can just go randomly into my videos and you'll just get the Stay Quirky eyeliner review. I won't talk much about these in this video. So this is how the white eyeliner looks like. It's beautiful, it's pigmented, it's amazing. So yeah, these were the 10 products which I would recommend to you guys, which are under 300 rupees but are amazing. So yeah, if you want more such budget beauty videos, then notify me in the comments down below, or you can DM me on my Instagram. So yeah, bye bye.